each semester, they will be having 3 term examinations. As to the schedule of examination, we are still seeking for approval for the dates. So whenever that will be approved, immediately that will be communicated to you, our dear parents. Next, please. Okay, one important thing also is the grading system. We'd like to inform you how we are grading your students, your children here. For junior high school and grade school, this is our grading system. Each differ based on the subject. Each has a different weight for written works, performance tasks, and for quarterly assessments. So written works, these includes quizzes or assignments, drills, works, okay, from the subject. So as you can see, it differs on each subject. 30% for